guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I do my everyday curls, just like this. And if you want to see how I do my curls, just keep on watching. Alright, so to start, I've already put in heat protectant in my hair and I've brushed it out. So the next step I do is I'm going to section up the top half. And then I'm just going to clip this right out of the way. And I have a little mirror right here, so if you see me looking there, that is why. Then I pull everything forward and I rebrush this out. Alright, then what I do is I start with the back pieces first. That way you're not coming over the top of the pieces that you already did. So I grab the back section and then I grab my curling iron, and make sure you do not have your curling iron too hot. 350 is probably average. If you have very coarse hair, obviously go up. If you have very fine, brittle hair, go down. And then I always, on the bottom half, go away from the face. And you want to start in the middle section, and I'll show you guys again in the next strand. But you want to leave it at least 10 seconds, and then you'll take it out. That way you know you get a good hold, and your curls will last longer. And then I'm just going to put it right behind my back to get it out of the way. And I grab another section, and again, this is what I do. I start in the middle, start twisting, and work your way down. The ends of your hair don't need as much heat as that middle portion, so that's where you want to start, because then that's where the heat will be the longest. And it's okay if they're ringlets like that right now, leave them, let them cool down. And I'm grabbing about like 1.5 inch sections. It all depends on if you want like a tighter, more curl instead of like a wave. Go with a smaller section. If you want more of a wave, go with a bigger section. There's that side, and now I go to this side. Alright, so then you put that all in the back, and this is completely up to you now if you want to spray that section with hairspray. If your hair does not hold curl at all, make sure you spray it, but also make sure you are not putting too much hairspray in, because it will weigh your curls down. So if you have very fine hair, you want to make sure you're not using too much, that's why your curls aren't holding. Then we go to the next section, and I split them to each side again. And then clip the top away again. And then again, brush it out before you start curling it. And again, start in the back. Grab your section and curl it. And I like to leave longer ends out now that they lay over the top. I just like the look of it. Some people go back and use their straightener to straighten them out a little bit more. Completely up to you on what you want to do. There's multiple ways to do this. And you also can start going the opposite way if you want to, if you want them to lay off of each other. I just always go away from the face. I like the way it lays better. Sometimes I will curl these front sections towards my face, though, if I want a little bit more in the front. So like this section, I might go forward. And then repeat on the other side. Okay, now do not touch it yet. Let it cool down. I didn't even spray hairspray in it yet. Let it cool. And then, like, go walk around your house, go do something else. Let it cool completely, and then we will come back and spray it, okay? Alright, so I let it cool, and now I'm going to take my hairspray and just spray it before I even run my fingers through it. Okay, now this is when I'm going to flip my head upside down and shake my curls out. Bring it up and run your hands through it. And then you can spray it again. Alright, so that's it, you guys. I'll give you a spin of what it looks like in the back, but that's it. They are fun curls, and you will get tons of compliments from them. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!